Today, let's see how we can install Java on our machine and create an environment for running our Java programs. Hello Ravens, this is Gritesh, you're watching Spunky Quark. Let's roll in with the intro. So in this video, we'll be looking at how to install Java on our Windows 10 machine. First of all, I would like to apologize to those viewers who are using Mac OS or Linux. I won't be able to demonstrate the procedure of installing Java and creating the environment on Mac OS or Linux as I don't have a Mac OS or a Linux machine. But I have put links for the installation of Java on Mac OS and Linux operating system in the description below. I would request you to go and check out the links. It's from the official Oracle website. So let's get started with the installation process of Java on Windows 10 machine. So before installing the Java, let's check whether our machine already have Java or not. And for checking that, we first need to open the command prompt. Let's first open the run window by pressing Windows plus R on our keyboard. Then type cmd here and press enter. The command prompt opens. To check whether Java exists in our system already, we have to type command java space -version, which will display the version of Java that is installed in our system. So let's check that out. So here you can see Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file, which means Java is not installed in our system yet. So let's go ahead and install Java. So I'll be closing this command prompt window. So let's start by opening your favorite browser first, whether it be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Internet Explorer. Oh, skip the last one. Here we need to type Oracle Java. So you'll get the search result here. We'll have to open the first link, Java Software Oracle India. After opening, you'll land on the official website of Oracle. So on the top right corner, you can see download Java button. We need to click that and it will take us to the download page. So till now, Java SE15 is the latest version of Java. So we need to download the JDK of SE15. So remember, JDK is the package that includes JVM, that is the Java Virtual Machine, Java Library, and DevTools. So we need to go and click JDK download here. So after we click the JDK download link, we'll be redirected to this page which contains the file which we can download for the installation. Here you can see there is Java files available for all type of operating systems, the Linux, the Mac, and the Windows. So right now we are going to install the Windows installer, x64 installer, right? So click on this link, check this box and click on the download button. So after this file is downloaded, just click on the file, give permission to the file to get installed on your system. Click next. So before clicking next here, this is the folder location where the Java will be installed. If you want to change the folder location, just go click on change and update the location here. If not, just cancel it. Go to next and let it install. So after it is installed, click on close. Now let's again open command prompt. Press Windows R, cmd, enter. Now write the same command to check the version of Java. Java space -version. This time it shows a Java version of 15.0.2. That means Java has been installed on our system. But by any chance, if this doesn't show on your system, we need to set the path of the Java folder. Open the File Explorer, go to C drive, go to Program Files, go to Java folder, go to JDK15, go to bin folder and copy this path. Press Ctrl C for copying. Now go to the search box of your system and write env there. It will show edit the system environment variables. Click on it. The system properties will get open. Click on environment variables at the bottom right corner, and in the system variables there is path, right? Just click on the path, click on edit, Click on New and paste the path that we have copied. Click OK, click OK again and OK again. And there you go. You'll be all set. Again, go to the command prompt by pressing Windows R. Type cmd, press enter. Write the command java space -version. And this time it shows the version correctly. So today we saw how we can download Java and install it on our system and set the environment variable. With this, we are all set for writing our first Java program. So let's start with our first Java program in the next video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are struggling with the installation of Java. And if you are someone who is still struggling with the installation of Java even after watching this video, write in the comment section below and I'll be helping you with the installation process. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. With that said, this is Gritesh rolling out for the next video. Till then, learn, code and reload.